Because my eyebrow is very thin and I lack of confidence. And before that, I do the eyebrow embroidery, but it's not permanent. That's why I come to GLOJAS.
This is the nape of the neck. This is the donate area that we have retaken, and we can see that harvesting was done from this side to this side. Only a single hair is taken up from here. If there is a double, it's split to become a single hair and planted to the recipient area, which is the eyebrow. We choose this hair that extracted is the same caliber and similar as the existing eyebrow. It just completed. You can see there's a swelling because of the local anesthetic fluid. However, we already fill up. Indication is increase the density and also to fill up the embroidery area here. So by tomorrow, this swelling will reduce and will take about 4-6 months. All the planted hair will grow and will cover the area of the embroidery and will increase the density on the both sides.